Beautiful day. Hello, and welcome to this second video about the all-new IPS professional platform by Volvo Penta. Today we're in the seaside town of Rapallo, which just happens to be where I used to keep my own little boat. In fact, I've got a picture of her here. There she is. Very little boat. But she did have a Volvo Penta inboard engine. Anyway, where were we? Yes, last time we followed the installation, the first ever installation of the engines and drivetrain aboard the new Sanlorenzo SX120, the 36.5 meter flagship in its crossover fleet. And we learnt why the IPS professional platform represents a propulsion breakthrough for mid-sized super yachts. If you missed that video, you can catch up by clicking on the link, I don't know, somewhere on your screen. But today we're going to check out how its unique features play out where it matters most, out there on the water. The IPS professional platform basically takes the successful IPS concept to the next level. Unlike traditional stern-facing propellers, for example, the forward-facing twin counter-rotating props are positioned to work in undisturbed water for higher efficiency and maneuverability. At the helm, all that translates into faster, smoother acceleration and a higher top speed, 23 knots in the case of the SX120, but also better handling and more predictable movement at lower speeds, especially during docking, when the joystick control allows for precision maneuvers. The IPS drives themselves are positioned far aft here underneath the transom, and together with a compact layout, that means a smaller engine room, which in turn means more usable space on board for guest use. Notably on the SX120, that translates into this 70 square meter beach club with the side platforms deployed and a sunken pool underneath the sun pad here, which would be impossible with regular drive shaft propulsion. As we saw in the first video, the IPS professional platform also introduces a unique dual engine per drive configuration. The SX120 is powered by four 1000 horsepower engines, two connected to each IPS drive. This delivers the equivalent output of larger and more powerful engines, but with a reduced footprint. It also makes possible advanced control functions like EcoMode, an automatic engine management system that activates or shuts down the individual engines based on real-time power demand. The efficiency of the propulsion system already reduces fuel consumption by about 30% compared to traditional drive shafts. That, of course, means more range, about 2,000 nautical miles in this case. But with EcoMode, fuel efficiency is improved still further by another 5 to 10% at low cruising speeds. Moreover, by optimizing the engine running hours, the time between maintenance intervals is extended. And last but not least, the transition when the engines switch on and off automatically is imperceptible. And of course, the captain can override the system for full manual control if and when the occasion demands. Features like assisted docking and a dynamic positioning system further enhance situational awareness and provide greater control during complex maneuvers in busy marinas or tight spaces. Moreover, the IPS professional platform incorporates a through-hull suspension design and integrated exhaust system. Together, Volvo Penta claims these reduce onboard noise and vibration by up to 50% compared to traditional inboard shaft installations. Underway, the difference is noticeable. There's less hull vibration and lower ambient noise inside the yacht, especially in the cabins closest to the engine room, like this one. That contributes to a higher level of onboard comfort overall, an important consideration for long-range cruising. Volvo Penta's goal is to support both current combustion solutions and future upgrades. Naturally, to meet current emission standards, the IPS professional platform includes a selective catalytic reduction after treatment system. More compact and requiring less maintenance than standard SCR units, it means the system is fully compliant with IMO Tier 3 emission regulations, but as we learned in the first video, it's also future-ready for integration with hybrid or electric power inputs. With its modular architecture, compact footprint and integrated controls, Volvo Penta's IPS professional platform is an exciting step forward in marine propulsion for yachts between 35 and 50 meters plus. And for the first time, with the Sanlorenzo SX120, it shows how propulsion affects not just performance, but also design, comfort and sustainability.